looks alright, I guess. So yeah, we've got the dog over there in the back garden. Oh, okay, you guys don't want to see that. He was doing his business in the vegetable patch. I have my driving lesson, so I'm going to drive to college. I kind of look different today. I don't know what it is. Why is that so blurry? It's so fuzzy. But yeah, I don't know what it is, but I look kind of different today. I don't know if it's a good different or a bad different. I don't know. And I don't like it because it's just weird. You know how you like, you see something that's different and then you can't get used to it or something. I don't know. Yeah, okay, never mind. So I'm going to drive to college, be on the radio, and then I really want to go to the gym. Like, I need to do some more cardio and, you know, stuff like that. I need to do some more weightlifting, squats. You know, I kind of want to do it, but I can't really do it because, like, I used to go on a Monday morning, but I'm kind of busy on a Monday morning now with driving and radio and stuff like that. So, yeah, you guys should tune in to the radio. Hang on, there's something wrong with my camera. I wanna I can't escape this now unless you show me how. When you think I might be, look into my eyes. It's where my diamonds hide. It's where my diamonds hide. Oh, sugar. Oh, okay. Hello. I didn't know that was the end of the song because it was actually a really quick song. So yeah, I don't know what happened there. Our next song is by Bruno Mars. Now it's not really a new song. I don't really know. Yeah, anyway, it's called Treasure. So yeah. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I can't play this on the radio. Well, that didn't work. That's a close-up of my face right there. Oh, my baby!
It's when Anna gave me.
I love you. Love you. Stupid fire alarm. I know. I love how there are still people coming out. Hey. Oh, this is my bitch. My bitch. Where's my bitch? Oh, do you want to be on YouTube?
What do you mean?
Do you want to be on YouTube?
So long, then they kick off again.
Okay.
That's what I do.
That's why I hold it over so long.
Oh, it's
That's
my
what
YouTube channel. Stupid fire alarm. Look 19.
I'm 12, that's why.
No, I'm 12. What are you doing? Am I popular? No, I'm not. The camera.
This is recording.
Yeah. Hey, Jack.
Hey, don't put the camera close to me.
Selfie time.
As to what you are clicking.
Let's just.
That's your coat.
Yeah, that's my coat. No, thank you. Well, yeah, but not yet.
Wow.
I know, right? They're all mine, they are.
Wow.
Don't diss.
Pork about and a rainbow pie.
I had 4 bags.
21p. 21.
Yeah, 21p.
42.
80.
84p.
Well done, Lewis.
Yeah, wow, but wow.
Well done. Apparently, when I do a vlog, my accent changes.
You come to America.
You're fake.
You're fit.
That's what Callum said.
You go really American, it's really funny. That's recording, isn't it?
Selfie time. Yeah, look at that.
I need to get a fucking image too on YouTube.
Oh, damn, look at that. That's sexy.
No.
Yeah,
No.
I like this
Film
song.
out the window.
Film out the window. He keeps smacking my bum. We had a fire thing earlier. Oh, look, there's some elderly people on the
swing.
No, I don't know. They're on a bike. They're not elderly. This
Zoom in.
is no. Okay, I'll try. But look at how bad it is. So fuzzy. You can barely see that bicycleman. Bicycleman.
Where's the dog?
There's me. Where?
By the tree.
South Leicester College Minecraft.
Small little tree. Look.
Oh, there. Duh. Woohoo! My writing's changed. It's got nicer. It used to be that. Like right there. But now it's much nicer. Hi, Darmish.
Hello.
Do you want to be on YouTube? You don't mind?
That's so inappropriate.
Mwah. Oh, dear, that's a bit rude. Silly.
It hurts. I was going to say
Sorry, oh, Sally's going over. She's mentioning swear words. Swear words, Sally's on the show.
Jack.
Basically you can't
You should have stayed and sat in the bar.
So helpless.
And then when I went back
How do I stop
to
it?
Dave and,
I don't know how to stop it.
What are you doing? Oh, you recorded it. Good job.
pointed at the back.
You have to put that on.
You have to pinch a bit of right.
Oh, I've got another follower on Twitter.
I told her I
Feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with Jack tonight. I need Jack's love. That's disgusting. Hey guys, so I had a pretty boring day. I don't really know. It was okay, I guess. This video might be uploaded a little bit later. So by the time you're watching this, it'll be like, I don't know. It's just gonna be uploaded a little bit late. Now the lighting is actually really good. Like that. Okay, so yeah, adios amigos.